Welcome to Three Phase Motors Part 8 video. Today we are going to see the Star Delta starter which is manually operated. This is the physical appearance of a manually operated Star Delta starter. A box like this and you will be seeing a handle. The first thing is the handle position. There are three positions. First is the off and that is a middle position. Okay, then there are option for lowering the handle and the lower position will be known as star connection and the upper position will be known as delta. That means for starting the motor with a star delta starter which is manually operated, put the handle downwards first, start in star, and then change to delta, which is upwards. But one thing is important while moving from star to delta, that is upwards, you have to make it very fast. You don't go for a slow changeover from star to delta. Then what happens? It is going through a off position that may be creating the motor to be off very momentarily and it will be taking the entire load current of star. Okay, so generally what happens, you start the motor in star, judge the speed and the sound of motor. You'll be getting an experience of the sound of motor to a higher speed. At the higher speed the running current will be less. That time you'll be changing it to delta. The moment you are making it to star, you have to wait for some time, few seconds, that after that only change to delta. If you are suddenly changing from star to delta without any time delay, the motor will be working as a delta only connection. Okay, so that should not happening. Take some time gap between star to delta, few seconds, or the right speed of the motor, the current should be less. Now the off button, you can see, to switch off the motor you have to press this red button. Normally it is closed and when you are pushing it will be on open. Okay, now there will be three windings in the three phase motor, we know, and the three windings are having terminals and their numbers. How the numbers are given, it is a entirely new separate process. With respect to polarity, we cannot just make the continuity and give a number. It is not like that. With respect to winding polarity, the number has to be given. The winding polarity test is separate, that will be given in a separate video. Anyway, while we are purchasing the motor, the terminal box will be like this, already marked with this A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. You will be able to find out the terminals of A like this and B like this and C like this. It is to effectively make the connections easy for the user or the customer. He has to connect only the three terminals L1, L2, L3 like this only, and for making star he'll be connecting like this. Okay, and in delta what happens, you'll be connecting the same lines here, L1, L2, L3, and A2 C1 will be connected, A1 B2 will be connected, B1 C2 will be connected. So this is dissimilar for delta connection, and here shorted are similar terminals. For making it foolproof, the terminal box has been given in this fashion. If a new machine is having terminal, there is no problem. Otherwise we have to identify the terminals which are the polarities by the polarity test, then only we will be able to connect. Where the motor has been get repaired, which is having no number, and the old motor which is having no terminal box properly, then we have to find out the polarity test and the terminal numbers. After knowing the terminal numbers, we have to connect this power circuit diagram. This is the power circuit diagram of star delta starter. There are three phase lines and fuses and our three windings ABC with terminal numbers. And there is a handle. This is the handle we have seen. And there are three positions here. There, the middle position is off, upper position is delta, lower position is star. Now one by one we are going to see. This is the off position. Let us see one by one. The L1 connection is going to A2. Okay, and the L2 connection is going to C2, and the L3 connection is going to you can see B2. Okay, so the second terminals are connected from the supply line, and A1 and B1 and C1 are coming and not connected anywhere. The other terminals of the windings are open. That means the motor is off. So this is the portion of off condition, and we are going to start the motor by putting it downwards. The handle is made into downwards. So what happens? The connection, the all other part will be the same everywhere, every time. Now the connection has been shorted. A1, B1, C1 is shorted through a metallic strip. There will be a metallic strip inside the star delta starter which will be shorting the winding terminals like this. The winding terminals A1, B1, C1 will be shorted through a strip, and this is the shorting strip available here. To that we are making the handle connection. Clear? So the motor is starting to run in star connection right now. The motor has started and it has attained its speed. Obviously the speed current also will be reduced. Now you have to change to delta. Okay, how it is coming to star, you can find here L1A2, L3B2 and L2C2 are connected, and A1, B1, C1 are shorted. That is the star connection. Now this is the delta connection point. Rest part it will be the same here. And what is the difference? You will be able to see the connection A1, B1, C1 are connected like this, and we will be seeing where it is going. In the first position, this is L1. The L1 position you will be able to see, find it in A2, as well as connection is coming to C1. So A2 and C1 are connected to L1 right now. And the next you can see L2, it is connected to B1 as well as C2. B1 and C2. You can understand that it is the different terminal, dissimilar terminals. B it is 1 and for C it is 2. So the dissimilar terminals are connected to L2. And the third L3 is connected to A1 and B2. Right? So these are dissimilar terminals. And you are connecting as delta. So this is the delta connection. Finally we have got the L1, L2, L3 it is available, and the dissimilar terminals are connected properly, which is the delta connection. So this is the power diagram of star delta starter, which is manually operated. Okay. Now we are going to see the physical appearance of the star delta starter. From the top view it will be like this. You can see 9 terminals here. There are 9 terminals. Why 9 input terminals are required? Yes, 3 phase supply input, L1, L2, L3, and 3 windings are there which is having 2 terminals each, A1, A2, B, B1, B2, C, C1, C2. So 6 motor terminals. 6 motor terminals plus 3 winding terminals are making us 9 terminals input. And in the star delta starter it will be mentioned here. It will be written here. You can easily find out this number or that can be connected. So that will be mentioned here. In this part I am mentioning L1, A2, C1, L2, C2, B1, L3, B2, A1. What is the same as written is in the back side. Okay, now you can find out this is the picture when the handle is downwards, that is when it is star connected. Okay, so this is the photo when it is star connected. Now we are going to find out how it is star connected. Before that, you understand that there are two sections. When the lever is downwards, these will be the connection point. 9 terminals are available previously, and that is attaching these terminals. Okay, 9 terminals are available here. These are the 9 terminals. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That terminals are properly being connected here. How they are connected? That is going to be told now. Now you can see the L1, A2 that are shorted in the left part, L2, C2 is shorted in the middle part, and L3, B2 is shorted in the right part. And this is happening. This is the start part, L1, A2, L3, B2, L2, C2. Okay, so we have completed one part, and next this is the shorting part. The center part has to be shorted, that is a star connection. Star connection, actually we are not connecting simply, there is a separate strip inside. We will be seeing in the next picture the connecting strip. So then it becomes A1, B1, C1 shorted also. So it is finishing the entire star connection. Actually while you are putting a handle down, automatically it is in the star connection. When you are putting the handle down, it is becoming star connected, right? Now you will be making the handle upside. So you can see this is the handle upside picture when it is delta connected. The star connection is going downwards. Okay, the star connection you can see beneath this here. Actually this is the connection, and you can find out one more thing. You can find out our star sorting link as this one. This is the star sorting link previously I told. So internally it is already available, the star sorting link, right? Okay, now we will be finding out the delta connection, how is being completed. Now these are the sorting clips. You can see it is actually attached to the 9 terminals. The first 3 terminals L1, A2, C1, and the middle L2, C2, B1, and the right side L3, B2, A1. all these are shorted separately with 3 each, so that is becoming what? Delta connection. So this is finally connected as delta. Clear? So it is becoming in the delta operation when the handle is upside. Now we'll be seeing other parts. The first part, it is the overload relay. We can find out the current setting. This is the overload current setting part, and this is the trip contact. We can find out the trip contact. This trip contact will be moving. Trip contact will be moving when actually this is the bimetallic strip. Bimetallic strip is available here. You can see it is a metal part being projected upwards. It is bimetallic strip you are seeing. Okay, the bimetallic strip will bend backwards like this. This side the bimetallic strip that we'll be seeing exactly. Now how the bimetallic strip will end? It is due to the heating coil. The bimetallic strip is surrounded by heating coil. This is the heating coil. When heating coil is having sufficient heat, when the motor is overloaded, it will be overheated. When overheat is there, this bimetallic strip will be bending, and that will be moving this rod backwards. When this rod is moved, this contact will be moving. This contact will be moving upwards. Then the contact will be breaking. It will be opening. Normally, this contact is open. It will be opening out. Okay, and that happens when it is opened out. Your no voltage coil will be removing supply. It will not get supply. The motor will be switched off because of the no voltage coil is having no current. And this is the off lever from the view inside. While we are pressing the red button, this off lever is getting engaged and it will be switching off the motor. Right. So this is the power circuit and operation of manually operated star delta starter.